The focus of this video program is the Taqsim Baladi, a rich form of traditional Egyptian improvisation, beginning with the Taqsim or melodic improvisation, often accordion. The Baladi follows a progression of gradually building rhythms that add excitement and emotion to the dance. This is a native style of dance done by regular folks all over Egypt, freestyle, completely improvised by both men and women. When it is included in a dance show, it brings an earthy Egyptian aesthetic that is a nice contrast to the Western-influenced lines of Raqs Sharqi or Oriental dance. Working with the Baladi is fun and will add depth to the feeling, physicality, and musicality of your dance. On the technique level, I'll guide you in my method for Egyptian dance, with a focus on holistic, grounded support in the body, and freeing your energy and your breath. The drills in this video program are specially designed to give you greater familiarity with each section of the Baladi progression so that you'll feel more confident dancing it. For each of the demonstrations and drills, I'll provide key information about the structure of each piece of music and its nuances. You'll learn improvisational skills that will guide you in interpreting the music and enjoying yourself. You'll be able to develop an improvisational practice that fits you, your style, and your body. I hope you enjoy it.